Hello everyone. If you're getting this error Roblox error code 529 when you're trying to play Roblox, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Roblox error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your date and time here. You're going to click on to adjust date and time, and then you're just going to click on to sync now on here. And now the error is fixed. I'm going to show you that my game works now. I'm going to go on to roblox.com. I'm going to select any game and I'm just going to click on play, and I'll show you that I won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.